A very good morning to all. Lesson 3, subject and predicate. So dear students, you already learnt about that what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense, is known as sentence. And the sentences are of 4 types. You already learned: declarative or assertive. Second was interrogative sentence. Third was imperative sentence. And fourth type of sentence was exclamatory sentences. And you already learnt about the kinds of sentences. Now next topic is the sentence. A sentence has 2 parts. Okay, the 2 parts are known as the subject and predicate. So these 2 parts are subject and predicate. What is a subject? So a subject is a part that is being spoken about. In the sentence, the part which is being spoken about, it could be a person, place, animal or thing. And what is a predicate? Predicate is a part which describes what is said about the subject. Okay, so let's clear it with one example. Here is one example. The sun shines in the sky. The sun shines in the sky. So what we are talking about whom? We are talking about the sun. So the sun is the subject in this sentence. And what is the predicate? So we are talking about the sun. So remaining part which starts from the verb shines in the sky, it is the predicate. It is the predicate here. So in the most of the sentences, subject is placed in the beginning. Okay, mostly subject you can see in the beginning. The subject of the sentence is a noun or pronoun. It could be a noun or pronoun. And the predicate of a sentence consists of verb. And how can we identify that it is a predicate? When after noun and pronoun, after subject, when there is verb, any verb, main verb or any helping verb, auxiliary verb or modals are there. So we can separate the predicate part from that side. Okay, dear students. Now we will clear it more with some examples. Let's see here. Here are some exercises given in your book. Now you have to do the circle the subject and underline the predicates. First of all, in the first one, here it is given, the painter is painting the room. The painter is painting the room. So the painter, who is painting the room? The painter. Okay, so the painter is the subject here. And how can we identify who is painting the room? The painter, so it is the subject, and the remaining part is the predicate which starts from the verb. So is painting the room is the verb here. Okay. Next is Neelam is studying for her exam. So here Neelam, who is studying in her exam? For her exam, Neelam is the subject. Neelam is the subject here. Okay. And is the auxiliary verb, and is studying for exam. So here from we can identify it is the predicate which tells us about the subject. Okay, and just keep it in your mind. From the verb part, the predicate always contain verb. Okay, so from the verb we have to separate the subject and predicate. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, next. They are going on a picnic. They is the subject and are going on a picnic is the predicate. Now you have to circle the subjects and underline the predicates. Okay, next is the twins are playing in the room. So the twins is the subject and are playing in the room is the predicate. Okay, I hope now you can identify the subject and predicate from the sentences. Okay, thank you.